Okay, people, have a special video here for TSLA. This is a combination type of plan where I'm going to explain a new plan for people who missed so far the first plan, which I posted December 26th. You know, power trick or trade works all the time. I always focus on what I'm doing, people, right? So anyways, this is part 2 from my posted December 26th plan, which made 150% in the first 30 minutes of trading today. In this video, I will be showing you the plan and then explaining this one. Tesla. Stay tuned for the second chart after I explain the December 26th plan. I mistyped this. So let's take a look at something important. I want to educate you people on what to do. Okay, so here we are at Power Trick or Trade on StockTwits, and you can see the video I posted. This one I just posted a recap, but let's go. So I just moved down to the December 26th when I posted it. You can see that 7:13 p.m. So what do? How do you see what's going on? You know, I document everything, people, in my plan. So let's take a look inside this video here. All right. All right, so let me get to the part where I show the options, right? So, but look at this is another plan or an update plan. Let me explain what I'm saying. I press pause there. Let me explain what I said here. I said Tesla set up to test 228 quickly. You can see this is based on the Friday's close. Now, I explained in this video how I felt that if we obviously we never confirmed with volume, but we had the strength, power, and pressure, and we had to buy in the 215 to 215.50 area very quickly. Now let me show you what the cost of the options were. Give me 1 minute here, or a second. All right, so here I am in the video where I show the. I'm going to explain. Then we're going to hear me speak, okay? Because all this is documented for you to see and you to learn. That's why you should listen to what I say in my videos very carefully. Nobody's doing what I'm doing, and nobody gives a flying out there. But I do. I post plans because I want my followers to make money, and I want to make money, and that's why I make these plans very, very, very carefully. So let's take a look at what I said, and then I will step back in. Yeah, 1 second here. You know, you can see there's actually quite a bit of it traded, you know, pretty well. A lot of between the 215s and the 220s, it did trade pretty good. They have a pretty good spread, right? Also, you look at that, the 217 and a half is looking good. So anything in these areas really, 215, 217, 50, or 220 could be used. This depends what you want, right? So, but obviously, when this triggers, this might trigger about $1.20, $1.30 if this can confirm for the 220s. Okay, and obviously, if we were to get to these could make good 150, 200% gain. Okay, people, so you hear me explaining in this video, and again, you can check this video out for yourself. I'll show you the video to go check, but this video I documented what the option. Now, these 220s costed less than $1. However, they triggered about $1.50 to $1.75. You couldn't get any cheaper than that unless you paid the quick pullback that there was to the 214 area. Now, let me show you. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here we're back at the chart. Now, in this part of the video here, what I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the I taped today. Or I recorded at 10 o'clock what the options were worth, so you could see. So you could see on the 26th that the options were worth less than $1, and you'll see what they were worth today. So let's go to it. All right, here I'm on Yahoo Finance around 9:58 a.m. And you can see the 220 calls, they're up significantly. You know, easily more than double your money in less than 15 minutes could have been had. These actually went even higher than that. These had a high of 470. I mean, you wouldn't get 470, but being able to exit some of your options at $4 for the 220s is very possible. And of course, as you can see, the 215s did very well as well. But the 220s traded much more. These are delayed, you know, because right now I'm looking at 2.5K was traded in the 220 December calls. And then basically what you do is you should have a stop on the remainder of half of your thing. I mean, I mean, this is just great gains. I mean, I wish I had entered this on Friday, but you know, this is Tesla, tricky. But I knew that some sort of a strong move push higher. This is why I mentioned the 228 to 230 level was possible. I mean, this was a good start so far. We'll see how it goes. Right now, as you can see, this is the time, 9 a.m. right now, and then this is fluctuating quickly. And these are the December 30 TSLA calls that I'm showing you here. These do fluctuate. Again, so far at this time, I mean, now of course that they pulled this back, you know, the options are, you know, they have lost about $100 per thing. But you know, when you're making over 150% gains, you take profits on some of your options, right? And then you hold some runners, and with a reasonable stop, you know, for small profits in case you know, it does keep running, you make even larger profits. So there you have it, people. And then we'll get back to the video, but I wanted to just type this part in case the stock doesn't move much higher. Thanks for listening. Let's see what I'm going to say. Okay, so we just finished seeing the options gain 150% in one day. All right, people. So now, let's take a look at, you know, how you can still participate in making money, people. This is what I want to do to add into the position. You know, so I was thinking about this, you know, during the day. I still think this is very good. The question is, do they want to send this up higher, or are they going to consolidate this more? We don't know. So what do we do, people? You use a stop, or you look for confirmation. Okay, so here it is, part 2. So here we go, people. Tesla is set up to test 228 to 230. The December 30th, 222 and a half calls are good to use if you have missed the move or want to add to your gains. All right, people. So what we want to do is we just don't want to go into this anymore. You know, Tesla has to prove itself. You know, this is a business. You know, it doesn't matter how much you like anything. We want to go in. We want to go in based on the right technical action. We want to make money in the market. You don't care about the company. Never care about the company. Care about your money and your wallet. Power Trick or Trade here. Listen to my plans. Listen to my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to explain all that. But anyways, let's go on. So, Tesla just needs to break above 222 on some good action volume. Right? Because I want to see some volume still, right? Good action volume is 500K on a 10-minute chart. 500K on a 10-minute chart, right? If the volume is less than that, then what we're going to do is we're going to have some basing above 222, look for power towards 223. So you want to get in between the 222 or a break of 223, depending on the volume and action. You know, Tesla is very quick moving, so you got to be prepared. You've got to be prepared. That's why you want to listen to my video and understand, right? If we happen to break above 222 with some volume, and you can see it very apparent, you know what? You got to jump in. Secondary, we may not have the volume, and so we're going to have to be buying the buying pressure, and you might have to pay 222 to the 223, 223 and a half. It won't make a freaking difference because you're going to make 150% on these 222.50 calls if this goes into the money. So let's go and take a look at the options. And this is what I've been planning, people, you know, during the day. Let's take a look. Okay, people, so for documented, this is the close of TSLA today at 219.53, up almost 3% from my plan. Okay, people, all right, it's a posted plan on my stream. But let's take a look at the options. You know, I'm always planning, people. We're planning a confirmation, right? If you study my stream, you listen to my videos, you can make money. If you're lazy, you can make nothing. Too bad for you. All right, options. You're lazy, you make nothing. Listen to Power Trick or Trade, you're going to go far. I wish someone did this for me. Nobody did what I've been doing for people. Nobody did this. But there was nothing like this. Wake up, smell of coffee. Comprende, people. All right, now. So, sorry, what am I doing? January 20. We got to go back to the 30th, man. We need weekly options. Tesla, listen to me. I trade weekly options for Tesla and Google. Monthly for Apple is fine, but and Costco's and stuff like that. So, anyways, here it is. What's going on here? December the 30th. Oh, 202.50 right here. Sorry, what am I doing here? Here it is. I apologize here, people. 222.50, right? A lot of look at this was. I explained this that if this was the confirmed options, the volume will kick in. You see, there's a ton of trading happen. 225s. Listen to me, people. If you want to use the 225s, you can use the 225s as well. Okay, you'll make money. They're less than $1, and we're documenting now. Now, obviously, in confirmation, Tesla is going to probably be worth about $2. If we confirm, this will probably be worth $2 to $2.20. Okay, so you can't look at to make 150%. This is going to have to go to like 450 or something like that. To make 150%, 450 or $5. Okay. But 100% still in the cards, if not more. And these will both do it. So if you have if you want to go even a little cheaper, maybe these will cost about $1.50. You can see, look at the option. Now, I can tell you, if you look at the statistical facts back when I made it the January, the December 26th plan that I posted on my stream, right, on Power Trick or Trade. Of course, you would have found it on Power Target Trades on YouTube, right? Because, if you follow there, it's very clean over there. Only the videos are posted on Power Target Trades. But anyway, so I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Power Target Trades. Just don't worry about that, people. But let's look at what I'm saying here with the options. So these 222.50s could be used, or the 225 could be used. And, you're looking at about $1.50 to $2.20 on confirmation average. Hard to say, okay, but an estimation doesn't really matter. If this is gonna work, it's gonna pay, and the odds favor that. But we want that confirmation of power, because Tesla could at the same time just fade, and we just made our profits, and that's it, right? And that's okay. But if it wants to continue, which I think they want to send this to the 230 area for sure by the end of this week, maybe they'll do it by even tomorrow, even faster than I anticipated. Okay. But it may not be the case. You could actually have a couple of days of chop, right? So people, we gotta plan for it, right? So anyways, so that's the plan. So these are the options. That's documented for you to see. You can go and see for yourself. So that's what we're gonna do, people. So let's go to my let me show you some. Okay, so here I am, Power Target Trades on YouTube, right? And what I'm going to do at the end of the video, you're going to see this Sandro Power Sugar Trade. You're going to see it appear in a circle format like this. It'll be about this size. Right around here, I'm going to place it, right? Simply click on that, and you'll automatically subscribe to Power Target Trades, where you can join my winning group. I'm trying to help people to make money for free. So take advantage while I'm doing these amazing plans for people. I'm making a lot of great plans. Check out my stream, study my videos, watch my videos. This is powerful stuff I'm placed in here. I'm the 100 to 300% option plan maker, man, for you. A lot of my plans were out in 3 days making lots of profits. Always take profit. Listen, my rule, if your options make 100%, take profits and then hold runners. So subscribe, people. And by the way, if you click on here, it brings you to my. I want you to see a great video. Go to my website. I want to show you, people. Now, let me show you more gold. Okay. Now, if you open your mind and listen to what I say and watch my videos carefully, you're going to see the gold and the power. If you're a stupid person and you have no fucking idea of what's going on in the world, you won't look at these videos, right? But this is powerful stuff documented. I wish people did this for me. This is too good to be true, like a dream. Look, isn't that great? Look at the water here. Look at this. Goog, 300% gains in 3 days, people. Apple, 200% gains in 4 days. These are documented plans showing the option prices, just like I'm doing now, and then the after. It's all documented for you to see. And if you know how to take action You study my plans, and when you're ready, take action. But whether you get into the trades or not, you should be studying, watching the videos. And you know what? People aren't doing that. Not enough. I'll know when people do more. I know. I know everything. If you're lazy, I know already. Okay? It's as simple as that. It's your fault. Because I'm here showing you the power, and all you got to do is listen and follow along and learn to take actions and understand my strategies. Okay? Because what I'm doing, a February 11th reversal plan, nobody did that shit and posted it. Even the world record holder got it wrong. Big time. And you know what? It's all documented. You want to see something, people? You go see this, read this plan. You go see this video here. You want to see the truth of what the hell I'm about. And you see these 300% gains where people were bearish. The market was going to collapse February 11th. Look what the market's doing. All new time highs. Wake up and smell the coffee. So here it is. It's all for you. If you're closed-minded and you don't see the power, it's too bad for you. It's your loss. So don't forget to subscribe to the Power Target Trades. And look out for more great plans in 2017. Making money. But for those who study and those who listen to my plans and my vision will see the money. So there you have it, people. A very powerful, mind-awakening video to wake up the sleepers out there. If you've been sleeping, it's time to awaken to the fucking truth. So there you have, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.